Hi, this is Tanya from Spotahome.com, and today I'll be showing you a really nice apartment shared. It has 3 bedrooms on Isle of Dogs, so it's Canary Wharf area. It's only 10 minutes to the tube station, which is pretty nice. We got plenty of shops, cafes in there, so it's a really nice area. So let's go inside and I'll show you everything. And from the right side we have bedroom number 1. It's not available right now, but it's pretty much the same as bedroom number 2. Here it is. It's pretty nice. So we got a desk in here, small lamp, comfy chair. We got standalone wardrobe. Also we got built-in wardrobe, which is nice too. We got chest of drawers and a double bed for 1 person, and we got a really cool view from the window. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Okay, that is bedroom number 2, which is available right now. Bedroom number 3 is a landlord's bedroom. If we go further, we will find the bathroom. Here's bedroom number 3, landlord's bedroom, and here's the bathroom. So we got a sink in here, we got a small mirror, and we got a tub. Here we have a toilet. Pretty simple, small, everything you need. And here we got a living room, which is pretty nice. So we got 2 comfy sofas in here. We got a desk with a chair, dining table for 4 persons. We got a nice coffee table, TV, 1 more comfy chair, and also have a balcony with a magnificent view. And also there is a kitchen. We have a washing machine in here. We got an oven, microwave, of course we got a sink, and 1 more beautiful window, and also a fridge, pretty big, and there's also a dryer in here. Okay, that's it. That was Sonia from Spotahome, London. I hope you like this video and this apartment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.